Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. So I am feeling so much better, so it's time to get this home ready for fall, you guys. I've been washing and cleaning, so I mean not me, but you guys know I'm recovering for surgery, but we hired a cleaning person. They came and cleaned. Before I went into surgery, I washed all my window treatments to get them nice and clean for the new season. So today's video, I am super excited to partner again with Linsy Home. If you're not familiar with them, they have amazing modular furniture for your home. So I will leave all of the info here in this video. But today we're getting a new modular sofa from them, another one. I already have one and we have been loving it for the past couple months. So now we're gonna set up another one in the living room. I wanted a new layout for the living room, so I can't wait to share that with you. Kaylin, are you ready for the new sofa? Yes? Where is it? Daddy needs to set this up today. We're giving him no time to get this home ready for fall, right? So Linsy Home was nice enough to send me a new sofa and also some of new modular storage units that they have. This is the current layout that I had. I took the old rug out because we're going to be setting up a new one, and I want to give a shout out to my husband's friend Mike for helping him set the new furniture. So here we are. I cannot stay still. I honestly had like almost 2 weeks when I recorded this video after my surgery, but you know, I'm helping as much as I can, not lifting anything heavy. But yeah, let's get this house ready for fall. For the new layout, since I'm going to be having two sofas facing each other, I wanted a bigger rug, so I found this neutral rug on Amazon. I will be linking it for you. It came folded, so the hubby and Mike were just putting the heavy boxes so we could flatten the rug. And then we got to taking out all of the sofa pieces out. One thing that I love about Linsy Home is that the modular sofa is so easy to put together. It is a breeze, honestly. I decided to put the old sofa on the other side of the living room, and the new one we're gonna set it up here by this window. Look, a little Kaylin there. I separated all the pieces for the sofa for the new one, as you can see there, so the guys could have an easy, breezy assembly process. And special thanks to my little helper. Kaylin was surely helping around, you guys. So here I'm just telling the guys where exactly I wanted the sofa before they go ahead and secure the sofa in place, which is super easy. All you have to do is put these clamps together. And look at Bella. She's like, where's my doggy bed? But it's coming, Bella. So when the guys were done, I went ahead and started putting all the cushions and the sofa, and of course Kaylin spilled all her little chips in the new rug, and we just have to vacuum that real quick. But here they are putting the other sofa together. Sofas were set up, the guys started to work on the cabinets, the storage cabinets from Linsy Home. And I'm super excited because this unit can be used in so many different ways. You could create coffee tables, bookshelves. You could also create like different storage unit, sideboards for your dining table. Oh my God, the options are endless. Check their website. One of the things that I love about my Linsy Home modular sofa is that they are machine washable. So I'm here taking all the covers from the old sofa to get them nice and clean. The guys finished assembling all the units and they were super easy to do, you guys. I totally recommend this if you need storage. And the hubby went ahead and started putting all the trays back up. And then I put all my cushions back into the couch and they came out brand new, you guys. I am obsessed with the quality and how easy this white sofa is to keep. And this is how everything was looking with the new layout. Honestly, super happy. And I wanted to show you the storage unit cabinet. I only got 3 pieces. I wish I would have gotten more because I would have created a high sofa table here at the end, but I just want to give you an idea of how things will look if you will put it behind your sofa. You could also use them as a side table. Look at this. And then you will also have storage. I love this. If you're in the market for a modular sofa, please don't forget to check linsyhome.com and also use my code. I will be leaving all the info down in the description box. Who remembers this mantle? Finally it's up. Remember, I had this for like a year and I asked her in one of my videos if I should do the mantle in this area. I am glad I did. I love how it's looking. And then we worked on the dining area as well. We added 3 mirrors into the area. I was debating whether to add mirrors, wall art, or it's sideboard, but I decided to go with the mirrors to make the space look bigger, and I think it really adds a touch, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Another update that I did into the dining area was add ceiling tracks, so stay tuned because in my next video I will get some custom drapes to put in this area because I have to do a longer size now, and hopefully that's gonna give this room a little touch of elegance. We also updated our lighting. I went for this one from Amazon. It's an affordable light fixture, but it looks very luxurious and expensive. The quality is amazing. You guys, this is how the 2 sofas look, and I'm telling you, if you're looking for comfortable modular sofa, this is it. I love how easy it is to maintain. Like I said, it is machine washable. I like the deep seating. I like that you could create so many different shapes with it. So now let's start decorating this home for fall. So I got some new pieces from Z Gallerie and I am excited. Oh my god, look at this pillow, how beautiful. And this floor base, you guys. Oh my god, stunning. One of the easiest way to update your fall decor or seasonal decor is just to switch your pillows, you guys. So here I got these beautiful pillow covers from Amazon that I will be linking for you. I love this brown rust color. Found the perfect pillow to match at Z Gallerie. Look at this beautiful pattern in the same rust brown color. I love it and it looks super modern. So here I'm just setting up the other sofa. And what is fall without a pumpkin? Of course, I'm adding my pumpkin pillows. I have this for a while now. Then I also got a basket and I got each kid a little Halloween blanket. So it's like the little fall blanket. And of course, I got a nice one for me, super soft. And I'm gonna put a little pumpkin in there and I'm gonna put this in the bottom part of the shelves. So we have little, you know, throws to when we're watching TV. Coffee table, you guys, I need to keep it simple because Kaylin likes to play with everything that I put in the coffee table. She likes to take everything out. She likes to climb on top of the table. So here I'm just creating a pumpkin bowl. The pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. Adding these 2 bases here, and one of them is gonna have these beautiful picks that I got. I think it was Target. Yeah, I will link them for you if they're still available. Then of course my little pumpkin bowl, and I decided to move it and then put these beautiful candle holders from Z Gallerie. They're so gorgeous. We're gonna add a little something into the kitchen, some new touches, but stay tuned for a full fall kitchen and dining room decor. I also added some simple touches to this area here, which is the entryway. I didn't go crazy because this is completely gonna change, so stay tuned for a full entryway makeover coming soon. And you guys, this is how the house is looking right now with the little fall touches that I added with the 2 new sofas. I am seriously, you guys, obsessed with the way the living room turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I still need to add a couple of more touches. I want to do something to the little mantle, add a little garland or something for fall season. And I cannot wait to share more fall decorating videos with you all. So after, we just lounge around, you guys, and I love this new setup because I feel like it's more conversational, and I also love that I could just have one complete sofa by myself. And yes, we were ready to enjoy the night and watch some movies. That was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video gives you some inspiration. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links on today's video. God bless, and I will see you on the next one.